Here's a complete house-mounted spinning flagpole set with a stabilizer rod to prevent the flag from tangling in the wind. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble and install a flag set and stabilizer in just a few minutes. This is a 6-foot spinning flagpole set from Flags USA and comes with a 3x5 nylon flag and a 2-position aluminum mounting bracket. You'll need a drill and mounting screws that are appropriate for your building material. First, let's mount the bracket. Position the bracket high enough to keep the flag off the ground and away from nearby obstacles. Make and pre-drill the holes with a bit that's appropriate for your building material. Then secure the bracket using mounting screws. Next, connect the 2 sections of the spinning flagpole. Remove the plastic screw from the sliding ring. Now, slide the ring near the top of the flagpole. Line up the upper grommet of the flag with the sliding ring on the pole. Replace and tighten the screw to secure the flag. Repeat the process with the second sliding ring and the lower grommet. Keep both rings on the top half as shown, and space them far enough apart that the flag is taut. Now the flag is attached to the pole, but there's an additional option that can help prevent tangling. Let's add a flag stabilizer for additional support. Note that the stabilizer is only designed for spinning flagpoles. Using it with a one-piece flagpole may cause damage or breakage. Slide the stabilizer onto the rotating section of the pole and position it just below the bottom grommet of the flag. Get the stabilizer as close to the flag as possible. Once it is properly aligned, tighten the collar with the included Allen wrench. Gently pull the flag taut and align it with the stabilizer rod. Attach the bulldog clip to the bottom seam of the flag and tighten the thumb screw on the clip. That's it. Now that everything is assembled, insert the flagpole onto the mounting bracket. Then tighten the thumb screw on the bracket to secure it in place. The installation itself takes just a few minutes, and adding the stabilizer rod can keep your flag flying freely. Thank you for supporting Flags USA, our small woman-owned business. For more flag installation and care tips, follow our channel.